Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites. Sign into your Xbox Live account and ensure the console has at least 256 MB free storage. Connect the Kinect sensor firmly to the dedicated port and power on the console. Once done, navigate to System Settings and select Network to verify your internet connection. Use wired Ethernet for best stability. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so the Kinect firmware can download. This gets you into the update flow immediately, without unnecessary. You now perform the actual firmware update for the Kinect. From System Settings, go to Console Settings and find System Info to note the current build. Next, run Test Xbox Live Connection or select Update Console to prompt any pending Kinect firmware. The console downloads the package, then installs. This can take several minutes. Make sure you do not disconnect the Kinect, unplug the power, or interrupt the network. If prompted, follow on-screen instructions and let the system reboot to apply changes. Finish by verifying the update worked. Open Kinect settings and run both voice and gesture calibration to confirm sensors respond. If the update failed, perform a forced power cycle, fully shut down, unplug the console and Kinect for 30 seconds, then reconnect and retry the update. Make sure to clear the system cache if problems persist and reattempt. If you still see errors, use Xbox Live Support Diagnostics or Contact Support. Backup profiles before attempting advanced steps so you don't lose saved data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.